Hi! Welcome to the Chinese course on TELIC. I'm Yao Songmei. In our last lesson, we learned 4 curled tongue initials. They are 知, 吃, 诗, 日. And we have learned 6 simple finals and 21 initials already. So from today, we are going to learn compound finals and nasal finals. There are 30 in total. We will learn all of them in 5 lessons. So for compound finals, they are combined with 2 or 3 vowels, in which there is a main vowel, and others are secondary vowels. What is the main vowel then? Okay, remember the order of the 6 simple finals: a, o, e, i, u, ü. So, no matter how they combine with each other, the main vowel is always the one who comes first in this order. Be careful when pronouncing compound finals. They are not simply pronounced as 1 plus 1. We need to change our tongue position and lips shape from the first one gradually change to the next ones. Also, remember the main vowel is always pronounced the loudest, and for nasal finals, there is a vowel and a nasal consonant in each of them. Today we are learning 4 compound finals, and they are I, A, ow, o. Now listen to me again. I, A, ow, o. We realize that each of them are combined by 2 simple finals. As I said, according to the simple finals order, each first letter of these 4 compound finals is the main vowel. Because they are not just 1 plus 1, so we just regard them as totally new finals. The first one is I. Pronunciation is a transition from a to e. A is the main vowel. When start to pronounce a, the tongue position is actually higher than we pronounce the simple final a, and the pronunciation of e is actually short and quiet. I. Let's try to add initials. Bai, pai, mai, dai. The second one, a. Pronunciation is a transition from a to e. A is the main vowel. It is loud and clear. E is short and quiet. A. Let's try it with initials. Nei, lei, gay, bay. Next one is ow. Pronunciation is a transition from a to o. A is the main vowel. We pull our tongue a bit back when we pronounce a here. It's loud and clear, but the tongue position is lower to pronounce o here than we pronounce the simple final o. It's short and quiet. Ow. Here are some syllables. Bao, pao, mao, dao. The last one for today is o. Pronunciation is a transition from o to u. O is the main vowel. When pronouncing o here, the tongue position is slightly forward. The shape of the lips is not so round, while U is short and quiet. O. Here are syllables with initials. Fo, to, no, low. Alright, that's all for today. We have a lot of things to remember today. I believe you can do it. Here comes our quiz again. Bye!